This is question 63 for the practice final. This question here, we have three different logarithm terms, and we're going to put them into a single logarithm. So our first step is going to be changing our coefficients of the logarithms into powers. So the first one's going to be log base 5 a squared minus parentheses. There is a 1 in front of this log, so we're just going to say log 5b essentially to the first plus log base 5c cubed. All right, now we notice that there is a minus sign here. There's an error that some people make where they apply the negative to this log and not apply it to the second log. We need to remember that because there are parentheses, it means everybody gets one. Okay, so to kind of make this a little easier to go over, or just, I guess, another way of looking at it, we could also write this as log base 5. Hold on, we should just copy it. That's right. I have the power to duplicate. There we go. We can say that's negative, and that's negative. These are essentially the same question. Now, we know that when you have a negative power, things go to the bottom. And if we look at this, that's literally what we have. I'll make another duplicate. What we're doing here is we're saying this is plus negative 1 and plus negative 3. So these already don't work when it comes to solving for anything with a negative power. This is the reason why this becomes log 5 and a big number of parentheses. The a squared is positive, so it stays up top. The b is to the negative 1 power. So just like normally, if you have something to a negative 1 power, you move it to the opposite area, which in this case is the bottom. And the c is also to the negative 3 power, so it becomes positive 3 on the bottom. And that's how we get our answer. This is just another way of looking at it. Again, this is the original. We distribute, and it will look like this. And then another way of thinking about it is multiply, multiply, which means they're all together. These negatives go to the bottom.